Hi, today I'm for the new POCO C50 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes without device help. So to do that, we should open the scanner application. So you should find the scanner app on your device or to use the scanner from notification panel shortcuts. If you don't see the scanner app here, just tap to edit. Where is it? And you will find it here in this down section. So just to add the scanner to your panel, hold it and drag it to the up section, click to done, and after that you should open from here the scanner app or just to tap on the application to activate it. Now we should paste our QR code into this frame, so let's do this. Wait a second and we can see here this link, so we can go directly to this website. Just tap on it and we can see the results. So this is the Wikipedia article. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.